Hello coders, in this video I am going to explain you true values and false values parameters of read underscore CSV with some meaningful example. So that are used to change yes or no or any other string with true and false boolean values. So finally Pandas automatically recognize these values as 1 and 0 if it is converted into true and false boolean values. So we can use these values in some calculation. To explain you this practically with some meaningful example, let I first import pandas as pd. Let I load dataset with pd read underscore csv marks underscore a. The dataset that you can download it from my GitHub account. Link is given in the description below. As you can see over here, this dataset contain attended column with yes, not, yes, no value. So now let me convert these values into true and false boolean values. So for that, please remember here we have to write true underscore values. So here is yes. So here we have to write yes, which is case sensitive. Y is capitalized over here. Now if I execute this cell, then you can see what will happen. Nothing, because if your data contain yes, no or any other values, then we have to provide true values that we want to consider and false values that we want to consider. Only true values or only false values will not work. So that's why we have to also tell the pandas which values that you want to consider as a false values. So I want to consider no. So if you write only no, still this will not work. That you can see over here. Also we have to write not, that I want to consider as a false value. Now you can see over here, our attended column is converted into boolean values, true and false. So this we can use in the calculation. Actually I want to find how many students are absent. That we can do in many ways. Just I want to explain you the concept of true values and false values. So that's why I am going to take this example. So for that we have to find length of our data, which is total 7 rows, 7 students, and minus I want to count present students, which is from the attended column that you can see over here, dot sum. So which perform sum of true values, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 7 minus 4. Total 3 students are absent. False, false and false. 1, 2 and 3. So this way we can use these values in the calculation if they are in true and false boolean values. Thank you. Thank you for watching.